Greetings, everyone. This is the Gardening Snail of Livingston, California, just trying to keep the community informed and local government as honest as possible. In this video, we're going to do a brief overview of the hours billed for August 2021 by Brenner for things like general legal, travel, planning commission, document requests, personnel, water, wastewater, and garbage, Winton Parkway, and the recall. We'll start with the overall account summary with total current charges of $8,893.30. In my previous video about the bills, I went over my process on how I converted the original bill into an Excel spreadsheet, so I'm not going to go over that here. Under General Municipal Description, you'll see there is $260 worth of emailing, $680 worth of meeting with the city manager, $1,040 for an attorney showing up to a planning commission meeting when we weren't expecting that, charging more for travel than for showing up, which is really surprising since the managing partner, Doug White, had said that they wouldn't be charging for travel for city business. Then there's $100 for something we can't know about but have to pay for anyway, and $40 for reviewing correspondence. Moving on to human resources, we see a whole bunch of stuff which was redacted, meaning we can't know about it but have to pay for it anyway, adding up to $1,485 worth, plus $165 worth of reviewing correspondence and conferring with Tom Hallinan. I do want to point out that this is not billed at the $200 per hour general legal rate, but at the rate of $275 per hour. Public Records Act request scrutiny is billed at $200 per hour, and it seems someone was really curious about real estate transactions. Notice here for Winton Parkway that the rate per hour is $375 for work related to development agreements. Moving on to the recall with $605 of analyzing correspondence and conferring with attorneys, $110 of conferring with client, whoever that is, and attorney A. Doan, $110 worth of correspondence with client and attorney and paralegal, $1,485 worth of drafting letters to multiple people, $275 worth of emailing, and $990 worth of stuff that they did that we're not allowed to know what they did, but we have to pay for anyway. $550 worth of reviewing and revising, and an $82.50 telephone call with the mystery client. Remember when the water, wastewater, and garbage rate hearings were punted forward again because our attorney wasn't ready? I just want to point out here that it looks like anything related to water, wastewater, and garbage issues will be billed at $275 per hour, not $200 per hour as in general legal. Last on the list is the community development, where I would have expected to see any charges for attending planning commission meetings. Here we see $40 for a little conferring and $20 for an email. Photo credits. Any views or opinions I express on these videos are my own and do not represent the views or opinions of the City Council or City of Livingston. Unless, of course, I am using direct quotes or video from City Council or other public meetings, then it's pretty obvious whose opinion is whose. Copies of source documentation available upon request.